Okay, in this clip what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating all the tasks and links which are in your new projects now. So what we're going to do first of all is click in the first cell and then type in our first task. Once we've done that, we can then decide on the duration. So if we're going to go for 4 days, type in 4D, and a 4-day task appears over here on the right hand side. If you want to move that task around, you take your cursor, you can pick it up, move it around, put it on a different date, and you can take your bow and arrow cursor, which we like to call it, at the end of the task, you click and you drag it, and you can do the same thing at the beginning as well. We get into our next task. And again, if we're going to go for a couple of weeks there, we can just type in 2W and that gives us a 2-week task. And again, that can be moved around as well. So I'm just going to paste in now the other tasks which are going to be done on this program, the next few tasks. So I'll paste those tasks in, it just saves a bit of time. And now I can put the durations in for each of these. Okay, once I put those tasks in, I can now link them. Now linking a Power project is just a matter of taking your cursor onto the task and then drawing the links like so. So I'm clicking, dragging the link out and attaching it. I can also do mid-links. So from my piling, I'm going to have my foundation starting a week in. So I take my cursor underneath by 1 week and attach it there. We can do mid-links for two links rather than just the one link, so I've got both these tasks linked to the same place. And I can take a link now from the end of piling to ground slab. Now if I reschedule that, that gives me my critical path running through and a couple of tasks here with a bit of float on. Now I'll take these links and tie those up to our ground slab. So I need to be able to see that if either one of these two tasks gets delayed, it'll then impact my ground slab going in. So my task can be delayed within the float period without anything happening, but if I delay it beyond my ground slab, it pushes the tasks out. Press undo, so I can do multiple undos, even through saves, to try what-if scenarios. Okay, so I'll just type in some more tasks on here. I've already typed them in, so I'm just going to paste these in. And I'm just going to give these a duration as well. So first lab, 8 days. If I just type in 8D, it'll display as 1 week and 3 days. 1 week there, 2 weeks for the roof, windows 1 week. And then watertight and strike scaffold, have those both as 2 milestones. I'm just going to link again using these here, so I'll just link to the tasks. I'll just do some finish to starts, finish to starts. Like so. What I'm also going to be doing is just moving my windows back. So I'll take the link which is on Windows and have that starting at the same time as my second walls. You can see that then pulls it back. I'll have that my roof linked into watertight like so. So I can use my scaling at the top here just to squash that in so I can see my program. And there we have our critical path running through the tasks. So here we've got some float in the task as well, shown by these icons here.